Efficient, practical, and still surprisingly quick, the 2026 Tesla Model Y continues to dominate the electric SUV space, now with better comfort, subtle upgrades, and that classic Tesla tech edge. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, and today we're diving into why the updated Model Y is still one of the smartest EV buys on the road. Design. The 2026 Model Y keeps its sleek minimalist shape, but with a few welcome changes. A redesigned front bumper improves aerodynamics, and the new LED light signature gives it a sharper, more upscale touch. Panel fit and paint quality have also improved, addressing past criticisms. Inside, it's classic Tesla. Open, ultra-clean, and now even quieter, thanks to better sound insulation and material upgrades. The new ambient lighting adds a nice modern touch without overdoing it. Performance. Performance remains solid across all trims. The long range hits 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, while the performance version is properly quick, closer to 3.5 seconds. Dual motor all-wheel drive keeps it planted, and the updated suspension tuning makes for a smoother, more refined ride. Range is also impressive, about 330 to 350 miles depending on the configuration. Features and technology. You still get the massive center touchscreen, Tesla's minimalist user interface, and OTA software updates. New for 2026, improved voice control, upgraded cameras for FSD, and an even smarter autopilot that adapts more smoothly in urban traffic. Wireless charging, HEPA filtration, and the yoke steering wheel option return, though not everyone's a fan of that last one. Conclusion. The 2026 Tesla Model Y refines what already worked: better ride quality, smarter tech, and improved comfort without losing its edge. Are you a fan of Tesla's direction or looking elsewhere for your next EV? Drop your thoughts below. Give this video a like and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest, up-to-date EV reviews every week.